Guys, before we proceed to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I'll be uploading a new video. So guys, I'd like you guys to stay tuned to the end and watch this butt enlargement. I make this butt enlargement oil, but first be assured that this is going to work for you. Let's proceed. Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you all how to make butt enlargement oil. So basically this is all we're going to be needing to make this butt enlargement oil. First, we're going to be needing maca powder. This is maca root powder, and then we'll be making use of fenugreek powder and acme. So this is acme, and here is the seed. I've already blended this one. This is how the seed looks like. Then we'll be making use of olive oil, and then we'll be making use of tea tree essential oil. I'm going to be adding just few drop of tea tree essential oil to this to prevent stretch mark, and then we'll be adding a little bit of coconut oil. In case you don't have olive oil, you can make use of coconut oil. And another thing is, if you have fenugreek oil, you can add to it. If you don't have fenugreek oil, you can just make use of the powder. And first, we're going to be making use of 2 tablespoons of acme seed powder. This is 2 tablespoons of acme seed powder. Then I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek powder. Two tablespoons of my maca root powder. You can actually add this maca powder to your smoothie, your pap, or whatever it is you want to add it to. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of my maca powder. Here is my 100 ml of olive oil. So I'm adding in everything. This is about 2 or 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. It all depends on the quantity you are making. If you have more oil, you can add to this. You stir very well. Make sure you mix it very well. Then you mix very well. Make sure you stir it together. So next thing I'm going to do now is to double boil this for about 5 minutes. Then I pour in my container. So let me just show you all how I double boil this consistency you are seeing here. So guys, this is how you double boil. We're going to leave this on for like 5 to 7 minutes, then we take it out. So guys, I'm done double boiling my DIY butt enlargement oil. So I have to let it cool down before adding my tea tree essential oil and my vitamin E oil. So guys, I forget to mention this earlier. We have to add just a few drop, like half teaspoon of vitamin E oil to this consistency, so to prevent stretch mark, because by the time you start working on your butt, it's going to it's going to enlarge your butt. So that's one of the reasons why we had to add some anti-stretch mark oils to it, so it will not give you stretch mark. I advise that you guys don't sieve this, just pour it in your container just the way it is, so it can absorb very well. And you have to leave it for about 3 days before you start using this. And I promise you guys, it's going to work for you. It's going to work like crazy. So we have to add tea tree essential oil. So we're just going to add just a little. 1 2 3 4, about 6 or 8 drops of tea tree oil is enough. Tea tree essential oil, sorry guys. And then the next thing we're going to add is our vitamin E oil. Just in case you buy vitamin E oil and you see that it has a very bad smell, don't bother yourself. Vitamin E oil has a very bad, horrible smell that nobody can stand, so then we have to stir together properly. So guys, our butt enlargement oil is ready. So this is all I got from the oils I just mixed together. This is it. This is about 250 ml, and this small one here. So guys, as I said earlier on, please, you have to leave this for about 2 to 3 days before you start using, and I'm guaranteeing you that you're going to see a very huge result within 2 weeks. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified each time I'll be uploading a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.